Peace and love, peace and love. What is going on? How we doing, everybody? How we doing? Appreciate everyone for tapping in with the good brothers this evening at Crypto Atomics, Alex L. Robert, and AD2X_official. Now tonight we're going to be talking about the Binance SmartChain and Pancake swap. Now Pancake swap is a DEX, which is a decentralized exchange, decentralized financing. And Binance is a public exchange. Now you don't have to have a Binance account to utilize this way here of getting different type of cryptocurrencies or tokens. So yeah, family, as you see, we will be going up on price sometime in the future around the summertime. So it will not always be $99 US. That is a limited time offer. That is a limited time fee. So take advantage of it now while you can and tap into this information, which is the future of money. Now here we will be utilizing this swap through the Trust Wallet, which is a decentralized wallet which holds your information, your private keys. No one can get into it, and the blockchain does not have access to this information if you lose it. There is no customer service. So you have to be meaningful and mindful and write down your words. Write down your passwords, your key phrases, your address, your sending and receiving, all of that. It's just as important as your routing and your accounting number with what? Your bank. You are your own banker here, so you have to take control of your own finances. We've been babied throughout time, letting banking systems and everything as such take care of our income. Now here you see, if you do not know the price of how much you want to send, or if you're doing an exchange with a person and y'all doing an exchange of cryptocurrency, all you have to do is go right here on Google and you just type in how much you're trying to exchange, and it'll convert it for you. Or you could use a calculator. You could even use a calculator here that's provided for you on these websites as well, family. So here, what you have to do is you have to swap the Binance holder for the Binance gas token, which is the Binance SmartCoin. So there's a SmartChain coin, which is the gas token, or the utility token, which is the token that is utilized throughout the blockchain, the cryptoverse, the multiverse, the metaverse, whatever you like to call it, the crypto space. And BNB is the holder token, is what I like to call it. Now here, you can't copy and paste because these are private wallets, so you have to type it in yourself. So what I'm doing here is I'm swapping BNB for SmartChain BNB. At the bottom, they also have percentages for you to make it easy if you want to do 100% swap, 75, 50, or 25% swap. You could even change the network fee, but I advise you not to do that, because if you make it too low by being greedy trying to hold funds, your transfer, your swap could get lost in the crypto space forever, and you'll never get it back. Nobody will take your tokens. Your tokens will be lost in the Internet 3.0 browser forever. So this is why, we try to advise you individuals that, you should be getting taught how to do this peer-to-peer. Even though we're not financial advisors, we're just simply documenting with you our journey on the future of money and innovation. So So that's the first step there, family. Yeah, and the next step will be to take it over to Pancake Swap. Now, like I said, Pancake Swap is a decentralized exchange where you don't have to do anything but connect your private wallet to the exchange. You don't have to do a Google Authenticator. You don't have to do a SIM swap or a SIM connect, an email connect. None of that, family. Just strictly wallet to contract exposure. So now that $10 that I showed you on the web, on the internet, where I converted BNB to US dollars, I'm going to take that $10 here and I'm going to exchange it for ElonGate. So sometimes, there's so much transactions going in and out, you literally got to play with the slippage tolerance. So you go up here on the adjustment settings and you change it to around 12 to 11. And sometimes it might not work, but you just keep fiddling with it and usually it'll go through, more than likely. So we're going to swap 10 US dollars worth of BNB or SmartChain, either one, to ElonGate. And we are getting, what's this? 17,688,700 tokens. So we're going to click on swap, confirm swap. And this is my one of my private wallets, my MetaMask that I have connected. So it's going to see, okay, is this the gas fee? This is how much gas they want. So right now at this hour it's 140. That's pretty reasonable. That's super low. Going to go to confirm. Transaction has been submitted. So you can view your transaction on Binance Scan, and it'll show you the success and the hash and everything, how much the transaction fee, which was 54 cents or 0.001 of a Binance token. And yeah, family, that's how you do a simple token swap on a DEX, a decentralized exchange. And it'll show you here when I add the token. I'm gonna add the token. Go to Elon. I don't think it's even up here yet. No, it's not even up here yet. But yeah, family, it was sent to my private wallet. And that was the update right there. So I'm gonna just show you from my cell phone. See, that's what $10 or $11 in catching a alt gem or 100K challenge, which is actually a million. This is a few million here. This is catching a million token challenge. And this token has been steadily increasing within the last few weeks at an exponential rate. But yep, family, that's how you do a token swap. Sorry if it ain't clear. But yes, family, I appreciate everyone for dropping by. If you're interested in learning the basics and fundamentals again and the blockchain, you know who to holla at. Come talk to your brothers. Come tap in with your brothers over here at Crypto Atomics, and we'll set you right. We'll get you straight. We'll get you tapped into this new asset class the proper way. We'll show you the ins and outs, and hurry up and jump on this discount because the offer is half off. It's half price until further notice. So if anybody have any further questions or you just want to reach out to us, you can tap in with us on Instagram at AD2X_official with a 0. AD2X_official with a 0. That's on Instagram. Or you can tap into my Telegram at 412-722-8205. And you can tap in with my business partner, Alex L. Robert, on Instagram at Magi_Zion_chaos with a K. So Mejai, MEDJAY_Zion_chaos. And that's Alex L. Robert. And you can catch us on Instagram. You can also catch him on Telegram as well. His Telegram is, let me find him here. His Telegram is Alex Salter. Everyone have a wonderful evening. Thank you.